Here is the top tech. As the major leagues in Europe are going to end their seasons, that's the 2023-2024 seasons. Some will end it this week, others will end it next week. So today, the predictions from the Heart app is what I'm going to give you, so that you just know how to just take on these predictions and know how best these predictions are going to bless us for today and tomorrow. Bear in mind, this is not 100% fixed, but rather predictions from the Heart app. So you can as well just dilute this odds, or just dilute these predictions and add yours or remove some, or even you can just make some changes to this odds, then you know how to just stick on this. So now let's go through the predictions for today from the Heart app. So this is the predictions from the Heart app, and if you stake and you win, make sure you just remember us by sending us something through the number on the screen, okay? And we hope that we see greens today. And as a disclaimer, I disclaim that I'm only showing you how I make money online through staking, but I may not be responsible for any lose or gain through this video, because when you win for yourself, and when you lose for yourself. Here is the top tech. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, so do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here is the top tech. That is